Hi, and welcome to Hunt and Gather with the Chatters. Today, my mom and I are going squirrel hunting. We tried to go squirrel hunting in Kaibab about 2 weeks ago. We were not successful, so today we're hoping to get some and hoping to cook up a nice dinner. Are you ready to go get something to eat?
Yep, let's do it. Alright, Fern just treated a squirrel. And now we gotta find a shot. I do too. Okay, he's gonna jump. Alright, I see him too. Come over here, please, because you got a shot. I am. Yep. Okay, still got a shot, still got a shot. Come over here, come here. Right up there on that branch that's leading towards this other tree.
I see it.
Okay. I did not load one in.
Just load it, please, real quick.
Okay, you're locked and loaded.
Okay, shoulder. Up more, up all the way. Thank you. Okay, hold your breath.
Okay, you did hit him. It was not a kill shot, but let's find him again.
Can I show you where he is, please?
Yeah.
Do you see the branch? Do you see the squirrel?
Oh, yeah.
Branch squirrel.
Do you want, so there's probably a shot right here.
Go back a little bit right here. Hey, you don't have to make it hard with yourself.
This is awesome.
30 degrees up. It's not like I want to shoot it.
Do you want to shoot it?
It's fine. Just please shoot it. The bark might be in the way. I don't think it is though.
It's amazing how much steadier a tree is.
I don't know. Oh yeah.
Awesome. Did we get him?
Yeah, we did.
Can you get him? Pick him up. Tail is always appropriate. Woo woo! All right, one down. Let's go get some more. There's a squirrel up in this monster of a tree. Oh. Do you see him yet? Okay, I see him.
Yeah?
Yep. Okay, so it's pretty. Come here over here.
Oh, like the dark thing right up there?
Yeah, but let me confirm because I need to get my binoculars on. Hold.
Actually, yeah, I see the tail. Yeah, that's him. He's moving. He's moving.
Okay, where is he now?
He's up higher. He's still up there though. You can kind of see him. Kind of see the binoculars or something.
Well, why don't you use the gun because the gun has a scope on it.
So like literally, I need to look at it from right here. Right here.
Here.
Well, no, I don't.
It's not loaded, so you're okay. All right, do me a favor and take a stick and hit the tree and see if we can't get him to move.
Well, I think you should look from where I can see him.
Honey, I got a really good view of the entire tree. I know, that's why you're gonna hit the tree. Keep going. Okay, stop, stop. I see him. Come here. You got a shot. Okay, so very, very top of the tree, the branch to the right, there's a black thing. Do you see it? Okay, so there's already one loaded. Got the gun?
Use your shoulders.
You want me to stand or sit?
Stand.
Okay. This is a primo shot, honey. He's totally open. So.
Is that really him?
That's really him.
Okay, hold your breath. That's a pretty hard shot.
Yeah, that didn't
That didn't
hit. Let's try it again. He's still in there. Okay? Again, let me study it this time. This time when you have it on him, let me hold the gun steady for you.
Okay, I have it on him.
Are you steady?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. That was a hit. He jumped though, so watch him, watch him, watch him.
I mean, I think I know the general area where he is. I do not have. Do you think he switched trees?
I do. Which
Switched
were your...
limbs or switched trees?
I think he switched trees.
Trees in that little tree then.
Yeah.
It's really easy to see.
Yeah. Oh, actually he is. See him
No.
on this branch right there? Sticking straight out, so he is in the other tree.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Okay, so tell me, and I'm gonna hold the gun steady for you.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, so tell me when you need me to lock and load.
Steady. I'm skipping ahead now because he already went.
That was a fantastic shot. Okay, let's reload.
He's coming down. He is coming down. I might have to follow
All
him.
right, let's do a finish off shot, but let's not shoot in the direction of the trap.
I mean, just keep your eye on him.
We're watching him.
He's in the grass right now. Do you know where he went? I see him. He's by the truck. He's running.
Get a good shot. Stop moving closer to him, okay? He needs to do the thing. Let's get a follow-up shot.
He's right behind this tree, I think. Killed. I think he's dead. Yeah, he's dead. La 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 la.
Let's see.
He let off one little fart there in the end. Oh, he's letting off more farts too.
So, talk to me. We got 2 squirrels. Do we want more?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get one more, and then we can crock pot these dudes. Wasn't I just asking you what we were gonna do for dinner tonight? And now we know. All right, go ahead and grab that guy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my second squirrel. I got the first one done. My knife is already getting really dull, which is a bummer because I don't have a sharpener with me. But squirrels are just like all other small game, and it's really nice once you realize how easy small game can be to clean. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna puncture a hole in the back of the skin. Once you feel like you got 2 sides that you can hold on to. Anyhow, so we crock-potted the squirrels, the legs and the back straps on high for about 5 hours. Let them cool, and now we're pulling the meat off.
So right now we are deboning the legs and the back straps, and then I'm just cutting it up. And yeah, we're gonna make some hot pockets. We're gonna mix the meat with green chili, and then yeah, we're gonna make hot pockets. It's gonna be really good.
Does the meat seem pretty tender?
Yeah, some pieces are tender and some aren't, but for the majority is tender there. All right, so my onions, excuse me, are officially sauteed, and now I'm going to add some diced green chilies and our squirrel meat.
Close.
so I have my croissant all rolled out there. Just gonna take a little bit. Might add more if I need to. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little more for sure. I mean, obviously they're not gonna want to stay in there perfectly, but you know, you kind of use that tip to. But yeah.
They're gonna taste.
Squirrels in a blanket.
They're gonna taste great. All right, so I just made some biscuit dough, and we're using that for the hot pockets. So I take about half to 2/3 of a cup. It just depends on how big you want your hot pockets. I try to make them all pretty much the same size so that they can cook in the same oven for the same amount of time. Making it more oblong than round. Put some cheese in there. Add the filling. And pinch the top together. And as I'm pinching the dough, I'm kind of stretching it at the same time, because the filling wants to fall out, but you are more powerful than the dough. So just keep on stretching and pinching and closing those holes, and then kind of flatten it out so that it cooks evenly. And you're ready to go. Let's see if we can find a spot for these.
Let's see. So we're gonna try the squirrels in a blanket. Yeah, see if they're good.
I might like the biscuit dough just a little bit better because it's real crispy on the outside.
I think I'll do as much.
No matter what, it's delicious. The green chili and the squirrel and the cheese combination turned out great. We got quite a few more cooking, so we'll have plenty to eat tonight, and maybe even some leftovers. Thanks for watching Hunt and Gather with the Chatters.
We'll see you next time when we go get something to eat.